Yeah, we'll look at some updates on Frankie. We finally got it off the lift. Had to drag it off. Been on there so long that we were afraid that we welded it to the lift. But anyways, we'll look at what's going on. Doing a little bit of interior stuff. One was install the door panels. Get the windows and stuff to work because they're power, so they go up and down. Of course, before I showed you the fuse box there, still no dash in it because you can't really mess around all that stuff with a dash in it, dash pad anyways. Got the passenger side door panel on, seats are in, got the console mounted. Apparently we got a helicopter going over. I don't know what they're doing, but out snooping again. Anyways, they're long gone by now. They're hauling ass across the sky. But anyways, console's mounted in there. Of course, carpet's in. I think I showed that before. Still no back seats or back interior panels, but trying to get all the electrical wiring stuff all figured out before we finally put it together and get it running here. But it's real close to running. One of these days, might be able to go for a ride. We also did find a couple factory Pontiac SS wheels. I don't know what his plans are there, to put them on here or use both or whatever. Anyways, getting closer. Getting a little more done on Frankie. Got the rear interior panels in. Also the headliners in. And the sun visors are in. We got the back seat to do, and the rear package tray. I need to finish up some wiring. I still need to paint inside the trunk. Not sure what his plans are there. And once all this stuff is done, there's some steel plates that go on here too. But got the kick panels and the dash pad, and also install the steering wheel back on the steering column. You should be about done here. This has also got that little plastic thingamajigger that goes in there. Other than that, then the interior will be about done. Then maybe we can go for a ride. I also bought some spacers. Get the wheels out just a little bit further. Not that there wasn't room back in there. Just that they started getting sucked in the wheel well and looking a little too narrow, I guess. Other than that, that's as far as it's gotten at the moment. Yeah, I've been doing a little more work to the inside of Frankie. Mainly working on the gauge cluster. Made these aluminum panels to mount gauges. You got 3 gauges here. Got 2 gauges there. Of course, we got stupid glare off the windshield, but that should be the tach, that should be the speedometer, and I believe that's the fuel gauge, and these would be your oil bolts, and I don't know what else is left. There's another gauge there. So, you got the dash pad sitting inside here. Steering wheel's kind of on. The next major thing to do is just get all these gauges in and hooked up, and that's going to be a bunch of wiring to do. We got some other stuff to do here, so.